Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to create a chart in Tableau using a parameter, and it should change according to our parameter. So as you can see here, if I will click on week, whole chart will show the cells weekly wise. And now if I will click on the month parameter, it will change the whole chart according to the month. All right, now if I will click on the quarter, it will change according to the all quarter. If I will click on the year parameter, it will show me the all cells according to the year wise. In this video we will discuss how we can create this kind of chart. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So first what we will do, first we will create a parameter. To create a parameter, what we have to, you can give any name as per your choice. Data type we will use a string, choose field as a list. Then what we will do, first we will write week, then it will display as a week wise. Then we will write after week, what comes after week, month, right? Then month wise, then after month what we have to create, quarter wise, then year wise. So like that you can create a first parameter in a day. Okay, just click on OK. Then first we will create one calculated field. Name you can give as per your choice. I'm using same name, like selected period. Here we're gonna use a case statement. You can use nested if also, but I like the case statement, that's why I'm using. Okay, so we will use date function over here. In the date function we will write first expiration. Our first expression will be case statement. In the expression we will select our parameter which we have created just now, right? This one. Okay, then what we will do, when week, then date trunc, then date trunc should be week. From where we gonna extract the date? From our order date column. Okay, and then we will write as a Sunday, because start of the week, because week start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that, right? So in the start of the week we will write our last date. Okay, we will write Sunday. We'll close this. Then again we will write when. Let me write the LOD quickly and then I will explain to you. Okay, so as you can see here, I have written my LOD over here. You can pause the video and you can check out from here. Okay, so then we will click on OK. So our first calculated field has been created. As you can see here, this is our first calculated field. Now what you have to do, just click on this icon over here. If sometime what happened, it is in date and time format, so you have to select date. Okay, one calculated field we have created. Now we will create one more calculated field like this. We will just open. This time I will give a name, selected period parameter. We will use a case statement. In the case statement, this time what we have to do, we don't have to select this the calculated field. Again we will select our parameter over here. Okay, so this is our parameter. We will write when week str, this is our function, and the date part function, because we are going to extract the date from here. Okay, inside the date part function we will write first the month and comma, we will select our calculated field which we have created. So don't get so confused here. This is very simple. First, in this scenario, let me explain to you. Here I select our parameter in the starting. In the second, we select our calculated field. Okay, so let me write the LOD quickly and then I will explain to you. Okay, so first we have created week, month, quarter and year wise. You can pause your video and then you can write according that. Okay, just click on OK. Now what we have to do, we have two calculated field from here. As you can see here, this is the two calculated field we have. Now what we will do, we will drag the new calculated field which we have created into the column section, and cells we will drag into the row field. Now as you can see here, our chart is ready. Now what we have to do, just right click on it or click on the show parameter. So you have parameter here. Now if you will check this, it will change according to your parameter. Let me make it the full screen, or you can do some more modification. The sum you can do, some more cell we will drag into the labels. Again we will copy and into the color. This is, if you will press control and drag it, it will copy. Okay, now let me do some modification. What color we want? Okay, let's keep this. Okay, so as you can see here, while I'm clicking on the week, it is changing. Okay, let me format this a bit so it should look more attractive. Remove the decimals, keep it thousands, and here it is in dollar format. Okay, and we will remove this. Okay, so now as you can see here, if I click on the month, the cells changing according to the month. Now if I clicking on the quarter, it is changing quarter wise. Now if I will click on the year, the cells will change year wise. So like that you can create your chart in Tableau. Okay, I hope you understand the video. Till then, happy learning, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.